హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం వచ్చాము బాంబే ఫ్యాషన్కి. ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకి పిల్లర్ నెంబర్ 1757 అపోలో ఫార్మసీ పైన ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్లో ఉంటుంది. లాస్ట్ వీడియో మీరు చూసినట్లయితే మనం కుర్తీస్ చూసాము. ఈ వీడియోలో వెస్ట్రన్ వేర్ చూడబోతున్నాము. స్టార్టింగ్ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 250 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సింగిల్ పీస్ కూడా మీరు ఆర్డర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బాక్స్లో ఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఇంకా లొకేషన్ ఇస్తాను. ఇంకా ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే కమెంట్ చేయండి.
Proper woolen wear, which is one-sided cold shoulder, and here you have the knitting tie. You will have to tie it over here.
Okay.
So if you wear it, it will come like this. Come like
Okay.
this. 350.
350. Okay.
This is sweatshirt, cotton
Okay.
sweatshirt, which you can wear in summer also, which is thin. This is also for 350.
350. Okay.
Yeah. Knitting, hand knitted top, 350.
Okay.
This is whatever you call cheetah prints, zebra prints.
Okay.
This is very ongoing right now, which is very soft under se
Okay.
and bahar se.
350 rupees.
350. This is turtleneck. If you see, this is actually if you go to Zara, you get
Yeah.
it around 3,000 4,000 rupees because
Yeah.
the brand.
Okay. 350 only.
Yeah. This is also knitted, high neck, turtleneck you can tell. Pink color, 350 rupees, full hands,
Okay.
full sleeves. This is woolen. This is not knitted. This is woolen.
Okay.
This is also for 350. Pure white and soft.
Okay.
This is from Zara. This is again turtleneck or high neck you can call.
Okay.
This is also for 350. This is also the same knitted. This is not woolen. This is knitting. This
Okay.
Yeah.
350.
350. This is from Forever 21 if you check.
Okay.
This is thin knitting, and this
Okay.
also you can wear it in summer.
350 rupees.
Stretchable, which stretches up to almost large size. Turtleneck. ये भी आप देखो, दिखता है
हाँ, small.
but even the large people can
हाँ.
wear आराम से. 3/4 sleeves. This is like this from front,
Okay.
and the back is like this.
Okay.
Yeah. 250.
250. Okay.
This is flat sleeves,
Okay.
which is like bell sleeve style. For rupees 350.
350 rupees.
This is simple plain black, whatever you can wear under this or above
Okay.
this or whatever. This is the same bell sleeves, another color.
Yeah. 350 rupees.
350. This is V-neck,
Okay.
flared, which stretches up to around large.
Okay.
Around se. Sorry,
Oh.
XL. And with the piping of white color.
350 rupees.
350.
Okay.
This also stretches up to
Okay.
almost XL and double XL, and also the sleeves extends with bell sleeves. Here you can check.
Okay.
Rupees 350. This is again the same one, but in thoda bada length
Okay.
and 3/4 sleeves. Same bell sleeves, 350.
350 rupees.
This is also that. This is a different model.
Okay.
You see, it's with this same
Okay.
back and front with the detailed chain and that.
Price
We do have colors 350.
350 rupees.
It's also hand knitted, proper thin kapda, which
Okay.
you can wear it in summer also.
Okay.
Wow. So this is turtleneck basically. You can wear it like this also, And in front also you can wear. Both the
Okay.
ways you can wear.
Uh-huh.
Front and back. We do have colors in this. This is different. This you would have find it on Shein,
Okay.
but right now it's banned, so you can find it on Amazon. So this is sleeveless, and you can tie it up with turtleneck top inside, or just with a denim jacket or something. This is
350.
350.
Okay.
This is again tube.
Okay.
Just
Yeah.
this also you could have find it on Shein and even Amazon.
Okay.
This is tube in all types. Same color but in black. This is one-sided. You can pair it up with denim jacket or anything.
Okay.
Just for rupees 350.
350
Or
rupees.
else you can wear it on right or left, whatever you're comfortable with.
Okay.
In this, with the detailed chain which I just told you,
Okay.
it's yellow.
350 rupees.
Yeah, this is Peter Pan collar with full high neck. I mean, full sleeves and all. With a detailed pearl detailing. And it stretches up to XL or large.
Okay.
Yeah. This is 2-layered top. Like this. It's for rupees 450.
450.
You have a different top inside.
Okay.
This is different woolen top, and this is again a different top, which if you see, it's a total different top,
Okay.
totally different top. Yeah,
450 rupees.
450.
Okay.
White with detailed here with knitting and all, knots
Okay.
and all. Yeah,
Price
350.
350.
This is also like boat neck type. High, but then it's U cut.
इसका प्राइस क्या है?
350.
350. Okay.
This is full length top.
Okay.
Comes till almost lower thighs. It covers your the butt.
Okay. Price
350.
350.
Yeah. This is crop top. Crop top half sleeves.
Okay.
Rupees 250.
250.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is woolen one piece type. You can wear it as top. You can wear it as one piece, whatever you like. It's for rupees 450 only, and
Okay.
it's all flared.
Okay.
It comes like this.
Price 450.
450.
Okay.
There is one piece in woolen which stretches up to XL. It's like, and it stretches up to XL.
Okay.
Not XL, basically large.
Price
Price rupees 550.
550 rupees.
This is also like that. This is with V-neck, but with net over here, the front side. Yeah.
Price
Price rupees 350. It's with the flat sleeves.
Okay.
This is also like that, with white piping on the front and a detailed keychain type. This is thin. This you can wear it in summer also.
350 rupees.
Yeah. This is also that. High neck with the pearl detailing on the front
Okay.
and stretches up to XL.
350 rupees.
White square neck with the flared sleeves.
Price
Rupees 350.
350.
This is basically from Zara.
Okay.
This on the elbow, and this is sweater.
Price
Rupees 350.
350 rupees. Okay.
This is again the same one piece, but in
Okay.
different colors. Front and back, it's V-neck.
Okay.
I have one more color which is white.
White. Okay.
Yeah.
Price?
Price 550
Five.
and it stretches up to XL. Aram se. Yeah, so we have got this Umami collection right now, which is like, which you get it for around 2,000, 3,000 rupees. We have it here for 350, 450 and 550 around, and that's it. This is for rupees 350.
Okay.
Attachable and detachable pads. You can take out the pads if you don't want, and this is there. And this goes up to almost 38 size.
Okay.
From 32 to 38 aram se. I do have colors in this if you want to check it out, guys.
Okay.
And the other one is, it's with the inner. It goes up till here.
Okay.
Yeah. And same, attachable and detachable pads goes up to 36 max.
Price?
And this is for rupees 400.
400 rupees. Okay.
Yeah, 450. These are smooth pads. As you can see, smooth cloth also, synthetic types.
Okay.
This is hook wala for rupees 450. We do have colors in this again.
Okay.
This is also from Zivame collection for rupees 375,
Okay.
and the back is something like this. And same attachable and detachable pads.
Okay.
We do have colors in that again. This is also soft rayon cotton material, which is stretchable, goes up to 38 size
Okay.
for rupees 350, and the
Okay.
back is like V-neck. Single color, single piece, sorry, 2 pieces we do have for
Okay.
rupees 450, goes up to 42 size, which
Okay.
is very fair, and the back is like this, and the detailing is with the lace
Okay.
over here. Yeah. 4. If you see, it's with the inner type, crisscross at the back, rupees 450. We do have colors. It stretches up to 36 size.
Okay.
Cheetah print, different colors, stretches up to 36 size, rupees 350, attachable and detachable pads.
Okay.
We do have colors.
Price?
350.
350. Okay.
Single color, black, stretchable, goes up to 36 size for
Okay.
rupees 350, and it's a t-shirt bra, so you can wear it on kurtis also.
Okay.
Bras,
Okay.
these are for 250 rupees. We have it wired also and without wired also.
Okay.
These are the full cup bras.
250 rupees.
250. We have different designs.
Okay.
Yeah, the designs are here.
Same price.
Same price, 250.
Okay.
Yeah, these are again different. These are for 350 rupees. We have all the sizes. These are wired ones.
Okay.
Yeah, and these are push-up bras. So these are the varieties which we have. This is the full cup for rupees 350 rupees, and the lace and the belt is something like this with the lace type
Okay.
with hook, and I have different designs, different colors.
In 350.
Yeah, this is all 350 rupees. We have 250 also in there.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are for 175 seamless panties.
Okay.
Stretches up to almost double XL, and inside it's cotton.
Okay.
This is cotton basically, the inside part.
Price?
Price rupees 175.
Okay.
This is 185 seamless panty, synthetic, goes
Okay.
up to double XL, rupees 185.
Okay.
In that we have the different design, which is this, which you saw in plain. We have it in printed also. Same rupees 175.
Okay.
This stretches only up to large. Small size. This is again rupees 175. Synthetic, seamless.
Okay.
Same inside you'll get cotton, and it stretches up to large size.
Price 170.
175.
Okay.
This is also seamless panty. Here
Okay.
you get cotton inside. Rupees 250.
Okay.
This is also big size. It stretches up to almost double XL. Cotton. rupees 185. Stretches
Okay.
up to on the medium. And we do have colors in everything.
Okay.
So you can check it out. This is also semi-cotton. Goes up to large
Okay.
for rupees 220. The material is very, very soft.
Soft.
And here we have layers also, which is seamless basically.
Okay.
These are the boxer panties. These are also seamless.
Okay.
Goes up to large. Goes up to large. You can wear it on jeans or
Price?
boxers for rupees 200.
200. Okay.
Yes. Are the boxers, which you can wear it on anything like top, skirt, swimwear, you can say anything. Goes up to large
Okay.
and for rupees 285. This is also cotton. Goes up to large and for rupees 250. It's with the detail of the other simple panty.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's with the pocket.
Nice.
This is also seamless panty.
Okay.
Synthetic and cotton mixed. Here also you get cotton inside.
Okay.
Seamless for rupees 210 rupees. Stretches up to XL, double XL. Aram se. And this, as you have seen, I have the colors in this again.
Okay.
Same for
ప్రైస్
rupees
250. ఓకే.
250.
ఇప్పుడు మనం చూసేవన్నీ 350 రూపీస్ అండి. ఇంకా వీళ్ళ దగ్గర చాలా వెరైటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. 1 పీస్ కూడా మీరు ఆర్డర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. డెలివరీ ఛార్జెస్ 40 రూపీసే. ఐ హోప్ ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నాను. నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఇలాంటి మరెన్నో వీడియోస్ చూడాలనుకుంటే మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు కీప్ స్మైలింగ్. బాయ్ బాయ్.